Hey everyone, today we're taking a closer look at Acorns, a mobile app focused on micro-investing and automated savings, and whether it really makes investing easier for everyday people. If you've ever wanted to start investing but felt intimidated by where to begin, Acorns takes a different approach by letting you grow your money little by little, without needing to pick stocks or manage complex portfolios yourself. Right when you open Acorns, you'll notice how friendly and simple the interface feels. Instead of charts filled with confusing financial jargon, you get a clear summary of your portfolio balance, recent activity, and how your money's growing over time. Acorns works by linking to your everyday spending. It automatically rounds up your purchases to the nearest dollar and invests a spare change into a diversified portfolio. For example, if you buy a coffee for $3.25, Acorns rounds it up to $4 and invests the 75 cents for you. This roundup strategy is the core idea, and over time, those small amounts can add up surprisingly quickly without you having to think about traditional investing. In addition to roundups, Acorns offers features like recurring investments and one-time contributions, so you can put money in on purpose as well as automatically. It also has different portfolio options based on your risk tolerance, so whether you're cautious or ready for long-term growth, the app adjusts how it allocates your money across stocks and bonds. This makes Acorns feel more like a smart, hands-off investment partner, rather than something that requires deep market knowledge. Another part of the experience is the educational content. Acorns includes short, digestible lessons on topics like diversification, retirement planning, and basic investment principles. If you're new to investing or you want to feel more confident with financial basics, these explanations are easy to understand and not overwhelming. That said, it's important to know that Acorns isn't designed for heavy traders or people who want full control over individual stock picks. It's much more about steady, long-term growth through small contributions and diversified portfolios. The fees are also worth mentioning. There's a monthly subscription, and while it's affordable compared with some wealth management services, it can feel noticeable if your account balance is still small. For people just starting out, it's worth thinking about whether the convenience and automation justify the fee. Overall, Acorns feels like a user-friendly gateway into investing and saving, especially if you're intimidated by traditional brokerage accounts or just want a low-stress way to grow your money. It makes investing approachable, automatic, and surprisingly seamless. And by rounding up everyday purchases, it helps people invest consistently without feeling like they need a large lump sum to start. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more honest app breakdowns, and drop a comment telling me which finance or investing app you want reviewed next.